Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to switch city in Citymapper app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Citymapper application. You can see over here Citymapper application is opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the map of the city that you have selected. So if you want to change the city, for that what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the app settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. At first, you'll be able to see the city that you've selected. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for switch city. So simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can pick a city if you want, or you can also use the current location. If you want to pick a city, you'll be able to see a bunch of other cities over here. You can tap on the option of your choice. If you do not find the city over here, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar. Now after that, type in the city. Now you'll be able to see the result over here. Tap on the city name. Now wait for a while. Now you'll be welcome to that city. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the map of that particular city over here. So like this, you'll be able to switch the city. So that is how you switch city in Citymapper app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.